Hello viewers, welcome back. So if you are one of my subscribers, then you must be having a little bit of idea about what type of contents I share on my channel. Whenever I go through any blogs, any articles or any YouTube videos, I always try to share it with you all. So this is what this video is all about. So to start off, let me show you a quick video and then I will come back to the main topic. Well, so you might be wondering that how to create such a video with so much pictorials, so much animations, graphics, etc., music. It must have taken a lot of efforts, right? This is what we actually think. Even I used to think that way. Even when I used to create videos, I used to put in a lot of efforts in gathering all the copyright free videos, audios, images. You must have seen me creating my e-learning content previously in my previous videos. I have already explained from where we can get the copyright videos, etc., etc. If you are still not aware of it, kindly look into the top section. I have already shared the links for those particular videos. So as we all know, if we want to create videos using the traditional methods, it's going to take a lot of efforts and time. So, what I found after browsing certain tools, certain videos, why not make use of artificial intelligence in creating our videos? It's very simple. We know that AI, ML is increasing its wingspan day by day. So, why not make use of the applications which actually use AI to create videos or to create e-learning content? So to keep this in mind, I actually went through a website which is called as lumen5.com. As you can see over here, lumen5.com. I will drop the link in the description section also. What this particular website does is, first of all, it's having a lot to offer for free. So that is one of the main things about this particular website. What you can do is, it's very simple. You go over there, visit the website, create your account. That's it. That's how you start this entire process. Now, the very first thing is, this is the dashboard, and the dashboard is very simple. You simply need to click on this new video. It will show you what type of video you want to create, what is the size of the video that you want to create. What you can do is, if you're a blog writer, content writer, you're having your own website, then what you can do, you can create a video for your respective blog. Let me show you. I have my website over here. This is my website. This is a new website that I have created. So I will drop the links of this website in the description section also. What I do is, I simply share the free resources, free contents, courses on my website. As you know, there are n number of Udemy authors just like me who have their content and they want to promote it. So this is a platform where I use their what you can say coupon codes that they have provided in the public domain. I gathered all the courses from there and post it over here. So just like me, you also could benefit out of it. So keeping that in mind, I have created this website. You can visit there. You can enroll to the various courses that I keep on posting on a daily basis. So this is all about promotion of my website. So kindly come back to the video. So now let me show you from scratch how we can create our own videos out of simple blog posts of your own, or you can create videos out of some articles that you have created, some lecture content you have created, some scripts you can create videos for them. So let me show you. The very first thing you need to do is, you need to click on new video, and it will open up an entire plethora for you. For example, how to use uh, your own blog as a video, how to use your own script as a video. So I will show you first with the help of this blog section, and then if time permits, I will also show you how to create a video from a script, right? So first of all, just go to any article or any URL. For simplicity's sake, what I'm doing is I'm simply copying an article which I have already posted on my website. For example, this Microsoft Excel masterclass. What you can do is you can simply go to the URL, copy it, and paste it over here. Once you are done, it will show you some templates or some size basically of your video. It can be a video for Instagram, it can be a video for your Facebook story, etc. etc. So depending upon your choice, you can select one of these. I'm selecting the 16:9 ratio, that is the standard one, and then it will give you some sample templates. Depending upon your needs, you can select any one of the templates. If you're not satisfied with these templates, you can obviously refer the remaining templates also. There are a lot of free templates available. You can choose any one of them. So for example, let me choose this content marketing strategy one. Okay, it's fine. It will take some a minute or two to create your video, the basic video, and then you can keep on tweaking certain slides here and there. Okay, so this is the created video for you. First thing is Microsoft Excel Masterclass for business managers, etc., etc. So this is what it has created. I will keep it, and then you can do some changes accordingly here and there. So this itself looks a lot promising than what we had initially. We simply had static text, which has now got converted to a brilliant looking video. So if you wish, you can play it. If you're satisfied with it, you can keep it, or you can add certain things here and there. Let me preview it. So that's it. So as you can see, it has created an excellent looking video just from the blog that I had given to it. So as you can see, this is the blog. Let me show it to you. What this website does is it simply crawls through the entire website. It fetches out some keywords out of it. So basically, an AI system, AI engine is running behind this particular website, which goes through this website step by step. It fetches out some useful keywords, and out of it, it creates a story sort of thing. So what happens is this is your storyboard. All the content that it has fetched from that website is written over here, and from this particular storyboard, it has created this video. So it's very intuitive, and it's a very new sort of thing, because as we know that AI ML is expanding its horizons. So this is one of the applications where AI fits into. So this is how you can create your videos from a blog. If you need to if you wish to make some changes over here, for example, let me add something, write something meaningful. Okay, why to learn this, something of that sort. Okay, I can change the styling, etc., etc. Using the style option, I can change the colors, etc., but let me keep it simple. So where is it? Yeah, why to learn this, I can add this particular slide in between. So between the requirement slide, it got added, but you can change the position also. I can move it down, I can place it anywhere I wish, for example somewhere over here, right? I can add my own media, I can add a scene to it. It will take some time depending upon the internet speed, and accordingly it will create its own video. So this is how simple it is to create your own video, and the publishing part is simple as well. What you need to do is you need to simply go to the publish section. A new page will open up and it will give me two options. Either I can share it on Facebook, I can resize it, or I can wait for a minute and it will get downloaded on my machine. So this is as simple as that. This is completely free, but the only thing is it will have a little watermark at the end, but I guess that's okay because you're getting a beautiful looking video, so you can afford a watermark at the end, right? On the contrary, if you wish to remove that watermark, that particular credit scene, which is obviously needed for this website to run, you can remove it by upgrading your plan. You can pay whatever they are asking for it, and then you will get the liberty to remove that particular credit scene at the end. But for me, this is fine. So it will create a 1 minute video for me based on the content, based on the source that I have provided. So as you can see, it has got downloaded on my machine. Let it get downloaded completely. I will open it up and play it for you. Okay. So as you can see, it is the complete video. I'm not playing it right now. So the quality is pretty fine, pretty well. You can use it. You can add your own logo towards the end. I somehow missed it. You can add your own image. You can add your own logo. This is the logo of my website. And you can add your URL as well towards the end. So this is as cool as you can ever imagine. So how AI has expanded its wings, you can see it over here. Similarly, if you have an article of your own, what you can do is it's very simple. Let me save it first. Yeah. What you can do is you can copy an article. For example, let me show you, let me uh, take an example from this article. This is, suppose I'm having this article. I can copy the contents of this article over here, and I can create a new video out of it. Instead of giving the source as the blog, what I can do is I can use a script. So I can paste my script over here and then press go. Once I do so, again the rest of the things remain same. You need to select your template, your article size, video size, and based on that, based on the storyboard which I have given now, it will create a video for you. So it is the AI is working behind this, and all the videos that have been created are completely based on the AI algorithms. So this is a video that it has created for me. One more thing I forgot to mention: you can add your own music, you can add your own voiceovers. As you can see, these are all copyright free tracks available over here. You can select any one of the tracks, or you can even add your own voiceovers. But I think the voiceover, the AI voiceover section is a paid one, but you can add your own recordings for these videos or for these slides for free. Okay, so let me see how the video looks right now. So as you can see, it was really amazing. So depending upon the content that you have provided, it will create a video out of scratch. So I hope this video was interesting enough and you have learned something out of it. In the future, I'm even going to show you more tools and more websites using which you can create your own stunning looking presentations, your videos, your lecture content, everything for free. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks for being a part of my community, and thanks for liking my videos and motivating me every single time. If you have liked this content, do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and be a part of this community. Thanks a lot.